If you cut your arm off, you wouldn't expect to grow a new one. However, if you cut a Hydra into tiny pieces, each piece would rebuild its entire body within a few days. What's the difference between us and them? Why do Hydra possess the remarkable powers of self-regeneration while other animals do not? All the body column cells in the Hydra are continuously undergoing mitosis and have numerous stem cells. These migrate to the extremities where they are eventually shed. Therefore, the Hydra is constantly regenerating. However, not much is known about the mechanisms by which Hydra accomplish complete regeneration. By exploring these different molecular pathways, we may be able to one day develop strategies to repair human body parts that otherwise cannot be replaced when they are damaged by disease or trauma. This is the rationale for the research being conducted in the Living Systems Lab, located in Burke Science Building, and the Campos Lab, located in the Life Sciences Building at McMaster University.
Yep, so basically I'm doing my thesis in a molecular biology lab here on campus, and we're working with a model organism known as Hydra. And basically Hydra are these small organisms that come from the same family as jellyfish, and their bodies are full of stem cells. They're really affordable and really easy to access, so that makes it really interesting. And my thesis basically revolves around the biomolecular pathways that are involved in Hydra regeneration. It's been noted as early as the 1950s in literature that Hydra are able to regenerate, but there still isn't enough known about the pathways that they use to regenerate. So my idea is to look into proteins that have been seen to play roles in oncogenesis and tumor progression, to see if those same proteins not only exist in Hydra but also play a role in regeneration.
Previous research suggests that regeneration and the formation of tumors share similar molecular pathways. This stems from the identification of small molecules called inhibitors that have been found to play a critical role in both cancer development and the irregular regeneration of Hydra. Mawesh Tariq's research focuses on the effects of many inhibitors on Hydra regeneration, one of them being the SB218078 kinase inhibitor. This inhibitor targets the CHK1 protein, which is responsible for ensuring that a cell divides in an orderly manner and that after a finite number of divisions, the cell dies. The results from this experiment were unexpected. After exposing the Hydra to this inhibitor, the organism was not able to properly regenerate as it formed a ball rather than a body column. Mawesh Tariq hopes that these experiments will shed light about the molecular pathways that Hydra possess and use to regenerate. However, many limitations must be addressed before we unlock the secrets to Hydra regeneration.
I think right now there's a lot of noise in the mass media about stem cell therapies and things like that. I think that I would really want people to realize that stem cell research is still really in its novel phases. There's a lot of work that's yet to be done. We need a lot more funding, we need a lot more manpower, and there is still just so much that needs to be done before we can really make the most of stem cell research.
Hydra regeneration aside, the Living Systems Lab provides many students with their first opportunity to delve into an inquiry-style laboratory setting that addresses problems in aging and cell regeneration. It allows students to explore diverse lab techniques and has a remarkable team of members that try to make every learning experience enjoyable and memorable for each student.
So I think the fact that I am just an undergraduate thesis student and McMaster has provided me with all these research opportunities, such as being able to use inverted light microscopy in the cellular biology labs, or to be able to use fluorescence and epigenetic modulators. I think it's pretty amazing that I have access to all these resources, and it all just comes from McMaster giving us all of this. In addition to this, just having McMaster's names on applications to research scholarships has provided our lab with a lot of funding through organizations through NSERC.
With exceptional researchers and students, the work being done in the Living Systems Lab here at McMaster University may one day help us solve the mystery of regeneration in humans.